Malai Methi chicken. Hello and welcome to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana. This is Neena Mrudeshwar and I am going to show you the recipe of Malai Methi Murg. Now first let us see what all ingredients we need to make this delicious dish. We need boneless chicken, chopped fresh fenugreek leaves, yogurt or dahi, chopped onion, ginger garlic green chili paste, cream, turmeric powder, dried fenugreek leaves powdered, salt, oil. Let us marinate the chicken first. Put the chicken in a bowl, add haldi powder, dried fenugreek leaves, little salt, ginger garlic green chili paste and yogurt. Mix it well, marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, take some fenugreek leaves, freshly chopped fenugreek leaves in a bowl, add a little salt and mix it and set aside for a little while. Now we will start with the cooking. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a non-stick wok. Add about 1 chopped onion and saute till it is nicely browned. This recipe is a takeoff on the popular recipe Methi Malai Matar. Instead of adding matar, I am adding chicken here. I had first tasted this recipe at my niece's place and I found it very tasty. So, I thought I should share this recipe with all of you. We will cover the pan, this way onions will cook faster and there will be less wastage of fuel. Now, let us see if the onions are ready. Yeah, the onions are nicely browned. So, now we will add this methi, to which I had added salt, so that it leaches out some water. We will squeeze the methi and add it to the pan. This way a little bit of its bitterness will be taken out. Saute the methi leaves for a little while till it starts giving out a nice aroma. Now we will add the marinated chicken along with the marinade and saute it for about 2 minutes. I will add a little water, say about a cup, and wait till the water comes to a boil. Also taste it to see if the salt is enough. Need a little salt. Once the water comes to a boil, reduce heat, cover and cook till the chicken is done. Now, let us see if the chicken is done. Yeah, the chicken looks done. Now, we will add this cream. And mix. And the methi chicken malai is ready. Malai methi murg is ready to be served. Malai methi murg is ready. You can serve it with hot steaming rice or naan or roti, paratha, whatever.